Hey there, music lovers! Welcome to a journey through the heart and soul of Liverpool, a city that has given the world some of its most iconic music and unforgettable melodies. Today I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of Liverpool's most iconic musical sites. From legendary clubs to historic streets, we'll explore the places that have shaped the sound of generations. Get ready to walk in the footsteps of legends. Feel the rhythm of the city as we dive into its rich musical heritage. First up, we have the Cavern Club. This isn't just any club, it's a cornerstone of rock history. Located at 10 Matthew Street, this is where the Beatles, yes, the Beatles, started their journey to global stardom. Imagine the energy and excitement that filled this place back in the day. This club has hosted almost every major name in British rock and roll. From the Rolling Stones to Queen, the list is endless. Next, let's head over to the Beatles Story Museum. This isn't just a museum, it's a pilgrimage for any true Beatles fan. Situated at the Albert Dock, this museum is a treasure trove for any Beatles fan. It's like stepping into a time capsule that takes you back to the 1960s. The exhibits here are so detailed you can almost hear the music playing in the background. Now let's not forget Liverpool's Philharmonic Hall. This venue is a testament to the city's diverse musical heritage. Opened in 1939, this is home to the Royal Liverpool Philharmonic Orchestra. The acoustics here are world-class, making every performance a magical experience. With its stunning Art Deco architecture and world-class acoustics, it's a must-visit for classical music aficionados. The hall itself is a work of art, and attending a concert here is like stepping into a different era. And we can't leave out Mendips and 24th Lynn Road. These homes are more than just buildings. They are the birthplace of rock history. These suburban homes were where Lennon and McCartney grew up. Ready for a musical pilgrimage? Liverpool's rich musical heritage is waiting for you. Every corner of this city has a story to tell, and every story is a note in the grand symphony of its history. Liverpool's rich musical heritage is waiting for you. Whether you're a die-hard Beatles fan or just love a good tune, the city has something for everyone. From rock to classical, Liverpool's musical landscape is as diverse as it is rich. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more musical adventures. See you next time. Keep the music alive and let the rhythm guide your journey.